Só merda.
Pode ficar duas pessoas já ligadas numa ponta, quando a tartaruga estiver a passar por ficar duas pessoas.
Beneath the blue waters that surround the islands of São Vicente, a complex marine ecosystem thrives. In the heart of this realm, we find the green turtle, scientifically referred to as Colonia midas. These fascinating and curious creatures have been coming here more and more in the last few years, captivating the local community and the tourists that stay here. The archipelago of Cape Verde is home to many beautiful marine animals, including 5 out of the 7 species of sea turtle. Islands such as São Vicente offer tourists the chance to see these creatures through boat tours and snorkeling experiences. Here, fishermen use bait to lure the turtles into the bays. This unnatural way of feeding the turtles is known as artificial feeding. Turtles, especially green turtles here, are still not very well researched, and the effects of this tourism is still unknown. My name's Ali. I'm here in São Vicente working with the company Biosphere in producing the first database for green turtles. This database will be used to monitor the effects of artificial feeding, an activity which has been progressively increasing over the last few years.
As tartarugas, existem 7 espécies de tartarugas marinhas no mundo. A tartaruga verde é uma das 7 espécies que podemos encontrar em Cabo Verde, e as tartarugas são animais altamente migratórios e fazem diferentes tipos de migrações ao longo das suas vidas. De uma forma geral, as tartarugas marinhas começam a sua vida nas praias, e nos passar dos anos, até mais ou menos 20 a 30 anos, elas passam por diferentes locais, diferentes lugares, diferentes habitats para suprir as diferentes necessidades. Então, quando chegam à idade adulta, elas migram das áreas de alimentação para as áreas de reprodução. As tartarugas que alimentam aqui em Cabo Verde são tartarugas que nidificam na África Ocidental ou mesmo no continente americano. As áreas de alimentação são vitais para as tartarugas, então Cabo Verde é um lugar importante para as tartarugas marinhas, para o seu crescimento, para a alimentação. Em termos de ecossistema, as tartarugas desempenham um papel importante porque ajudam a equilibrar o ecossistema.
So green turtles have become a key part in this vibrant community of São Vicente. Their gentle and enthralling behaviour is becoming more familiar with the people and researchers here. This has led to an increase in their numbers and the duration they stay for.
The threats that turtles are facing in a global way are basically the same ones that we are facing here in Cabo Verde. Just to mention them, we have global warming, we have marine pollution, we have poaching, different levels of poaching, or different kind of poaching, like meat poaching, egg poaching. Other threats, it could be light pollution, the destruction of the habitat. So those are the main threats that turtles are facing in Cabo Verde and also in the world. More specifically, here in Cabo Verde, we have a threat, which is the stray dogs. There are plenty of dogs on the street, on the beaches, on different places, and they are predating the eggs, predating the nest, and also they are attacking the turtles. Feeding of green turtles, it's something that is happening right now in São Pedro. So the people from the communities are feeding the turtles basically just to attract them to one specific point to take the tourists for some turtle watching. Obviously they are getting some benefits from it, which is not bad at all. We need to understand the context. So before, we passed from the context that before people used to kill the turtles to eat them, and now they are getting some benefits, some profits to try now using the turtles as a ecotourism activity. So yeah, Probably artificial feeding is a problem. We still don't know it. We are figuring it out. We don't know how the population has changed because we don't have enough data for it. But we are studying the effects that this artificial feeding can have. Maybe they are big, maybe they are small, but we need to understand again the context that something really positive is happening, or like the change was really positive. So we're gonna keep supporting and keep researching and keep trying to improve the situation.
So Biosphere are actively working in the conservation of local marine species. But what are they doing to conserve the majestic green turtle? In the next video, we'll look at the methods they're using to produce the database for the green turtles here in São Vicente.